Up for sale, 1969 Chevy Nova. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Nova, finished in red with black interior, fully restored, 396, 5-speed power steering, cruise control, and vintage AC. And as always, go around it, tell you what I know about it. We will fire it up, drive it, and I will get in for the driving section of the video. So again, we'll start here in the front as always on the chrome bumper, which other than a couple, little minor marks, very nice condition, very shiny, looks great. You see a couple stone chips down on the black plastic there, not too bad, but the trim is nice, the headlights are nice, the blackout grille is nice, but you see a few like little minute stone chips here. It must have been on a gravel road. I started out its life in Nevada, and it was owned in Nevada until about 15 years ago when the previous owner bought it, and he did a full restoration on it. It was base coat, clear coat. He bought it as a rust-free Nevada car, of course. He had the 396 built. He put the 5-speed in it, put all new interior, everything pretty much. And one of the interesting things the owner told me was that it had not seen rain in the 15 years he owned it, since it was supposed to rain when I was supposed to pick it up, and he said, don't come get it. Very tasteful cowl hood. I love just the little rays. I hate when they got the giant one on top. I know I say that all the time. All the glass, excellent condition. Your trim, get up on it a little bit more, very nice. You just see a couple like little marks right there, another one right there, like almost like maybe he brushed up against it at some point. But the fitment is one of my favorite things. The hood lines up perfectly. It opens and closes like butter. Same thing for the doors. It's got great fitment. Trunk lid. Let me finish this door, and then I will get inside here. You see a couple like other little stone chips there from the back tires, and also it's got the Copo wheels on there, the dog dish caps, which I absolutely love. Here's your 396 aluminum intake. It's a 65 396 motor, I believe, vintage AC, power steering. It's a 4-core aluminum radiator. Very nicely finished. Oh, there's the cruise control. Very nicely finished in there that you see all the way, even like the firewall. He did a soda blast. So he soda blasted the car and then did the base coat, clear coat. He kept telling me about that. Really nice. The motor, I love the motor one. It's got stock manifolds on it, so it's not too loud. It's got a nice muscle sound with the exhaust, like the combo altogether. It runs very smooth. Dual feed Holley carb. Very, very smooth. Like really nice. I bet the idea with the cruise control and the 5-speed was you put it in 5th gear on the highway and you just go and you just enjoy it. That's what I have to assume. So let's keep going here. I'll show you what I haven't shown you yet. They even painted the dash nicely in red. Nice windshield on it. Top of the car. Very nice. Very, very nice. Again, as I'm talking about the doors here, just a couple little marks right there. Beautiful fitment of the door to the quarter there. Super nice. Let's go in here. It's 5-speed with the bench seat. Again, I'll show you something nice highlight here. All the beautiful metal that's in there. And you see all the little factory ribs that are down there. Very nice. Your door panel itself, very, very nice condition. You see just a little bit of wear right here, probably from resting his arm on it. Very nice finish in the door jamb all the way around. Up, all the way. There's your bench seat, which is in very nice condition. No rips on either of the seats. The carpet's in very nice condition as well, very clean. Zoom out here. There's the cruise control. Steering wheel. I know the horn works. Zoom back in for a second. Dash pad, excellent. No cracks on it. A little bit of dust, but no cracks. Paint's very nice. Couple added gauges down there. There's your 5-speed, if I can show you that. Super, super nice. Very nice shifting as well. And the horn works still. Very nice back seat. Nice back seat door panels. Sail panels are nice. Headliner is very nice. It's missing the little cap up there, but the dome light works. Very nice with the visors. Nice finish all the way around. Very tight. No sagging. One second. Make sure I got the key. I think. Oh no. I have the key. We're good. And again, I love the wheels on there. Lower down there. Very nice. Couple stone chips you see back there on the inner wheel well. Makes sense. And a little bit, couple, pencil sized chips throughout. Again, it's a rust free car. All the way around. Just like the front bumper, very nice condition, very shiny. You see, just like I said, light little marks on it in a couple spots, but very, very nice. Fitment of the trunk lid, very nice again. Two speakers in the back window there. And I did notice it. Right here, just a couple little chips in the paint. Figure out which key it is. Okay. There we go. I'll show you the pan first. Original, rust-free, not patched. And I like how they finished it with the white spatter paint. Nice weather stripping in here as well. A nice finish. Nice finish in the jam here. I just ruined the focusing. Let me stop this for a second. All right, we're back in business. You see a couple like stone chips behind the lip of the bumper. I mean, when you look at it, you don't see it. I'm just seeing it because of the angle I'm on. And you see a couple more little stone chips down in that corner. It is a straight body. I didn't show that, but I know it is. Let's keep going here. 3 little touch-ups on that edge there. You see just a little less smoothness right back here. This is very smooth all the way up here though. I know you'll see that. Very nice on the door edge there. It's probably the first car I've seen in a long time that doesn't have door edge chips on there. I feel like that's just so common. Another nice thing is this trim is very nice condition here. A lot of times I see it not replaced for whatever reason. Maybe it's too difficult to do. I'm not sure, but this was replaced. Back to the very nice metal in here with the ribs all the way down. Nice roll of the metal there. Buffing compound, but very nice. It will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let me know. 69 Nova, 396, 5-speed, AC, power steering, cruise control. Long time Nevada car. It was completely restored by the most recent owner. definitely was taken care of. Nice fitment of the door to the fender. And again, you just see a couple more little stone chips down there. But we are getting to the point of the video where we are going to fire it up and then drive it. And I love the air cleaner too, I didn't mention that. Thank you. Brakes great. I know, that's what the guy told me. Yeah, it's got cruise control. Cruise control.
And cruise control.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a highway gear, so that
it's a 355.
Yeah, it comes in handy.
I always laugh. Even he's got a trailer. Even he's got a trailer. This? It has to. It has to be put back on. You know who I thought about the other day? The guy with the FJ Cruiser.
I know.
I'll be right back. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow. Never heard from him.